Stages in screen printing. So for general understanding, this class is all about knowing the workflow in screen printing. The entire screen printing workflow is divided into 3 stages. Stage 1 is the pre-production. Stage 2 is production, and stage 3 is called the post-production. In the pre-production stage, it all starts with a design. It can be a very basic design to a very complex or multicolor artwork. And then we do the color separation using softwares like Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, or CorelDRAW, and sometimes a dedicated software for color separations. Once the color separation is done, we print out the artwork from a printer using a film positive, and then we coat the screens with emulsions and let it dry. Once the screen is dried, we expose the screen using an exposer unit. And then once the screen is exposed, we take it to the washout booth to wash the design with water and let it dry. So this is the entire steps in pre-production stage. I would say out of 100%, 70% of the work is done in pre-production, and it is one of the most important stage. The next stage is called production stage. So in this stage, what happened is first we tape up all the pinholes in the screen and all the gaps in all the corners of the screens. We apply adhesive gum in the pallets of your screen printing machines so that the fabric can stick and we can print on top of it. And then we mix the colors according to the design. We do a test print and then run the full production. After the production or during the production, we need to cure the ink. So we use a special machine to cure the ink. And finally, we fold and pack. Once everything goes well in pre-production stage, I think the production stage is the most fun part. So the next stage is called post-production stage. In this stage, we clean the inks from the screen. We also clean the palettes, and whatever dirty parts are there, we start cleaning it. And then we take the screen to the washout booth again to reclaim the screens so that we can use for the next design or for next print job. So this is the entire workflow in screen printing. Many people miss out in small tiny little details in some of the parts, and that's where you can see the difference between a local prints and professional prints. I hope that now you have a clear idea what are the stages in screen printing. The next class will give you even more detailed idea of all the machines, equipments, and accessories you will need for each stages.